The most expensive thing in the world is trust. It can take years to earn and just a matter of seconds to lose. Trust is the cornerstone of every meaningful relationship. From the bonds we share with our loved ones to the connections we forge in our careers. It's built slowly through countless acts of honesty, loyalty, and kindness. But in a fleeting moment, a single betrayal can shatter it completely, leaving behind a trail of hurt and doubt. Once trust is broken, the path to repair is steep and rocky, often leaving scars that never fully heal. In a world where genuine trust is rare and precious, we must cherish and protect it with all our heart.